I'm Sergeant Cindy with the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office. Today, we released helicopter video of the fatal crash from Sunday morning involving a stolen Maserati and 3 juveniles. Just after 3 a.m. on Sunday morning, the PCSO flight unit was in the area of 62nd Avenue North and 28th Street North in St Petersburg for an unrelated vehicle burglary. Flight deputies witnessed 3 juveniles, later identified as Mario Bonilla, Keandrick Lang, and Malachi Daniels, steal an unlocked Maserati. Patrol deputies intercepted and attempted to stop the vehicle, however it accelerated to over 100 miles per hour. Deputies did not pursue the vehicle. The driver, Keandrick Lang, lost control of the vehicle in the area of 1024 62nd Avenue North, hit a curb, went airborne, and overturned. Responding deputies immediately rendered aid to the suspects. Bonilla was pronounced deceased at the scene. Daniels and Lang were transported to the hospital with critical injuries.
You copying you on, Bravo? Alright, the car's moving now.
For 60 seconds.
Can you put us driving? They're driving across the ground. It's going to come out to 62nd Ave. 62 and Warren Street for now.
Yeah.
Alright, they're eastbound, just past 25th Street. Underneath the interstate, and car's blacked out.
Joel, I see it's right front of me.
Approaching 22nd Street.
Still blacked out?
Yeah, still blacked out. Eastbound, number 1 lane. Driving normal, coming up to 21st Street.
I don't think you're landing behind him.
Eagle, yeah, you're behind him.
He's flagging.
Alright, I've got it. I can call it. Eastbound 62nd, just passing 18th.
Cruisers, back off. Parallel it and get in front.
He's high rate. Man, he's still blacked out. Passing 12th Street. I know we're on Bravo, so if we can get some of these. Oh, and he's going to lose it right here. He crashed. He's crashing 62nd. And it's going to be just shy of 10th Street on the south side of the road.
Okay, get on. Get to the scene, everyone else. Set up a perimeter.
Eagle, no one's got out of the car. Should be 3 of them. Let's get FD rolling. Pretty bad crash.
When do you copies request, Rusty?